Origami, the ancient Japanese art of paper folding, has birthed a myriad of exquisite creations, but none is as iconic as the majestic paper crane. This unassuming yet elegant figure holds deep cultural significance in Japan and has become a symbol of peace and hope worldwide. The origin of the origami crane is shrouded in mystery, but it is believed to have emerged during the 18th century. The most prevalent legend attributes its creation to Sadako Sasaki, a young girl who succumbed to leukemia as a result of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima. Inspired by a traditional tale that promised 1,000 folded cranes would grant wishes, she tirelessly folded paper cranes in the hospital, hoping for a recovery that sadly never came. The story of Sadako's unwavering spirit and her origami cranes resonated deeply with the Japanese people, transforming the paper crane into a poignant symbol of resilience and the desire for peace. In 1958, the Children's Peace Monument was erected in Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, featuring a bronze statue of Sadako holding a golden origami crane. Origami cranes can be folded from a single square sheet of paper, creating a lifelike representation of the bird with astonishing detail. The intricate folds and creases form the wings, body, head, and tail, with no cuts or glue involved. The process of folding an origami crane is meditative and requires patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the paper's properties. The art of origami has spread far beyond Japan, with origami enthusiasts and practitioners worldwide sharing their creations and knowledge. Origami cranes have become popular decorative elements, often hung from strings or displayed in homes as symbols of good fortune and positivity. But origami cranes are more than just beautiful decorations. They serve as reminders of the horrors of war, the indomitable human spirit, and the universal desire for peace. Each folded crane represents a wish for a better world, carrying the hope and aspirations of countless individuals. In summary, the origami crane is an awe-inspiring symbol of peace, resilience, and the transformative power of art. Its simple yet elegant form encapsulates the beauty and fragility of life, while its enduring legacy serves as a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity and strive for a brighter future.